Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard layout on iPhone Air. To change the keyboard layout, you would need to go to the settings, then go to General. Now go to Keyboard and go to Keyboards. Now select, if you already have the keyboard of the language that you're gonna use, you can click on it and change the layout. You can see I have the QWERTY layout, the most basic one. I can change it to AZERTY layout, which is the French layout, or QWERTZ layout, which is the German layout. I can also set it to Dvorak layout, which is made for quicker typing, but at first it may look a little complex. I'll show you that. Now I have it set to Dvorak, and it's really made for quicker typing. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna go back to the QWERTY, and I can also add more languages by clicking on Add New Keyboard. And for example, when I select Chinese, let's select the simplified version, I have different options, like for example the pinyin, and I can select the pinyin QWERTY, approve it, and now I have my QWERTY English keyboard. And when I press and hold on the globe, or just tap on the globe, tapping will cycle through different keyboards that you have. Pressing and holding will open this menu so you can select the keyboard. Now you can just start typing something like that, and you can see it works. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.